I'm going to be showing you the Universal Pro unit. We just came out with this after a year of development, and the main reason for making it is for severe disease. So this unit has a lot of power, so we've installed a fan to keep it cool while being used. We have the 12 volt power and we have the 5 volt. The 5 volt always goes to the inner power plug and the 12 volt always goes to the outer. The unit is very simple to use with a very simple keyboard because we like people to be able to use it in seconds. So you've got the 2 button that takes you up. You have the 8 button to select down. And when you find the one you want to run, you simply push the hash key. And after several hours of using it, you push the stop key. That's it. Very quick, very simple. Using the power knob. When it is at the bottom position, it is off. You never want to leave it there. If you take it to about the 9 o'clock position, would be 50% power, or if you take it up to 12 o'clock, would be 100% power. So again, very simple. You use the power that suits you best. If you're using the pads and you find that the power is too high at the 12 o'clock, you could turn it down to 10 o'clock, and you'll probably find that's the best for your particular needs. Okay, moving on to show you how the accessories work. We've got the wireless, the Quantum. To use that, you simply plug it in. It's a clam type device. You would put your hair and nails in there, and you can do that for 1 or 2 persons. The benefit of doing that is you can let it run 12 or 24 hours a day, and you can change your settings each 12 or 6 or 24 hours as you prefer. Moving on to the TENS pads, you simply plug it in. I'm now going to put the pads attach on, and those go under your feet, and ideally while sleeping for 8 hours so you have a good boost. This is for your power and your speed. So when you use the TENS pads, you're getting the fastest, most effective. The wireless is soft and subtle, yet many times it can kick in with warp speed, as quantum energy is infinite, and if it finds you've got a severe disease, it can remove it in a very short period of time. We've got a third method of treating, which a lot of women love, and that is to use the photon light. As soon as you click it on, it starts working, and you can see that it's putting out frequencies with light. So the photon light is used against the skin, and it transmits directly into the body. Normally it's used on the upper body, and a lot of women will keep it in their bra at night while sleeping, and you get the benefit of using that on upper body, using the pads on the lower body, and then you've got the wireless as well. So you've got 3 simple methods of treating yourself, and after a week or 2 you'll find out which method works the best for you. So it's a very simple system, but it's designed for severe disease. People with arthritis, dementia, Parkinson's, autism, even severe cancer. This is going to be the best unit to use.